Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with a few thoughts on something I find way more effective than a New Year's resolution. We're near the end of January now, and if you're like most people, you've already failed spectacularly or just straight up forgotten your New Year's resolution. Not me, though. Not because I'm impressive or productive or something. I didn't set one. I don't tend to set New Year's resolutions because I failed a bunch at them growing up and it doesn't motivate me anymore. Instead, what I've chosen to do this year is set a mantra. It's a short phrase that I can return to for inspiration and guidance multiple times a day. This one came about a bit by accident. I went on this medication that I needed to take once in the morning and once after lunch, and I wasn't in the habit of doing that, so what I did was I set my lock screen on my phone as just the phrase, "take your medicine." But what was a simple reminder about medication has become something much larger for me. Take your medicine might mean meditate. It might mean turn off your screens and go pick up a book. Or it might mean go to a movie with a friend. Take your medicine means do what you know is good for you. Because so often we find ourselves distracted, and if we look back at how we spent our time, we think, I didn't like that, and that wasn't what I wanted to be doing. Take your medicine is one way in which I take that power back for myself. You know you'd be less anxious if you would clean your room. You know you would feel a bit better if you just had that difficult conversation already. You know you'll be a bit more relaxed once you finish that assignment. So take your medicine and do what you know is good for you. It's simple, and I'm not always in the mood. But having a daily reminder on my phone and repeating it to myself throughout the day whenever I'm at a decision point has really increased the value of the way that I spend my time. I'm as lazy as the next person. I can be sitting in my room and then think of something I know I have to do, but I don't feel like it. And then this year I remember, take your medicine, Patrick. And it's much easier for me to move on because now I've reframed that action not as some obstacle, but as my medicine, the thing that I know will be good for me. Why not take it for a spin, see how it goes? And if you have other techniques to get around the old New Year's resolution trap, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.